Michael Shikha Niketan Higher Secondary Government-sponsored co-ed English medium school has taken an excellent initiative of teaching and make our students learn day-to-day lessons through audio and video in our YouTube channel. Teachers of all the subjects are working hard to enhance these online classes in the midst of this pandemic situation. It is a request to all the teachers, students and guardians to click the bell icon and subscribe our channel.
Hello everybody, nice to meet you. Now I will start trigonometry. Okay. Let us take, this is the line. OA. If you rotate anti-clockwise like this, so it makes positive angle. Let us take this angle B theta. Clear? If we rotate clockwise, so angle makes minus theta. Clear? Now take any point P on OA. We draw a perpendicular from P to N. We have a right angle triangle like this. P O N. Let us take, this is theta. With respect to this angle, this is perpendicular, this is base and this is hypotenuse. Clear? But with respect to this angle, let us take phi. This opposite will be perpendicular. This is base and hypotenuse be fixed. Clear, all of you? Now, perpendicular by hypotenuse, we get some ratio. Perpendicular by hypotenuse is sine of that. Next, cosine, base by hypotenuse. Perpendicular by base, tangent. But in the short form, this is sine theta with respect to theta, perpendicular by hypotenuse called sine theta. Base by hypotenuse, cosine, that means in the short form cos with respect to theta. Tangent, tan theta. Clear? So, we have this result, P by H, perpendicular by hypotenuse, base by hypotenuse and perpendicular by base. Reciprocal of sine, cosec theta. So, H by P, sec theta, H by B and cot theta, base by perpendicular. Look very careful to that. If we multiply sine into cosec, this gives the result 1. How? Sine theta into cosec theta equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse into hypotenuse by perpendicular. Cancelling this, we have 1. If you multiply cos theta into sec theta, get the result B by H into H by B. Gives result 1. Similarly, we have tan theta into cot theta. Tan theta into cot theta equal to P by B into B by P gives the result 1. Now, this is the main criteria. to learn the first trigonometry. Okay. Now I will discuss the relation between sin theta, cos theta, sec theta, tan theta and cosec theta, cot theta. Now p square by b square equal to a square. You know that from the rules of Pythagoras theorem. If we divide by h square, so we may write that p by h whole square plus b by h whole square equal to, cancelling this, 1. P by h, that means perpendicular by hypotenuse sin theta whole square plus cos theta whole square equal to 1. So it may write that sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Clear? We write on the sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Clear, all the student? Now the next formula, p square plus b square, that means perpendicular square plus base square equal to hypotenuse square. We divide both sides by b square. We have p by b whole square plus 1 equal to h by b. P by b, that means tan theta whole square plus 1 equal to h by b, that means hypotenuse by base equal to sec theta. So you may write that tan square theta plus 1 equal to sec square theta. Clear? Next, p square plus b square equal to a square. Okay. We divide both sides by p square. Cancelling p square by p square, 1. B by p, that means base by perpendicular, cot. We know that p by h equal to cosec theta, it is reciprocal, h by p, b, p by b, p by h, that means perpendicular by hypotenuse sin theta, its reciprocal will be cosec theta. So we get the result 1 plus cot square theta equal to cosec square theta. Clear? We need these formulas to solve the problem. Now, I will give some example. Example 1, sin theta equal to 3 by 5, find cosec theta by 1 plus tan theta. Okay. Sin theta means perpendicular by hypotenuse. If we take, this is the right triangle, let us take perpendicular be 3k, k be any constant, and hypotenuse be 5k. With the help of the Pythagoras theorem, we have this is 4k, k equal to constant, it must write. So cosec theta will be h by p, That means hypotenuse by perpendicular 5k by 3k. Since k not equal to 0, 5 by 3. Tan theta will be 3k by 4k. So, cancelling this 3 by 4. Putting the value of cosec theta and tan theta, we have cosec theta be 5 by 3 and tan theta be 3 by 4. After calculation, we get the result. Okay. Now, I will solve the next example. Here, example number 2, sin theta plus cos theta by sin theta minus cos theta equal to 5. Find tan theta. Okay. Solution. Sin theta plus cos theta by sin theta minus cos theta equal to 5 means 5 by 1. Okay. If we cross multiply this 5 sin theta minus 5 cos theta equal to sin theta plus cos theta. So, it will be 5 sin theta, and from the right side of sin theta we have 4 sin theta. Here left hand side what is minus 5 cos theta and right hand side cos theta. So, we have 6 cos theta. If we divide by cos theta, we have sin theta by cos theta equal to 6 cos theta by cos theta. So, sin by cos tan theta equal to 6, tan theta equal to 6 by 4. That is the question is why sin by cos equal to tan theta. We know that tan theta equal to perpendicular by base. Okay. If we divide by numerator and denominator by h, that means hypotenuse, p by h sin theta and b by h be cos theta. So, we get tan theta equal to sin by cos. With the help of this, we have sin tan theta equal to 6 by 4, that means 3 by 2. I will give the next example. Example number 3, p cos theta minus q sin theta by p cos theta plus q sin theta equal to what? We have to find given tan theta equal to p by q. Now, here tan theta equal to p by q, but this is the form sin and cos. We know that tan theta equal to sin by cos. So, if we divide numerator and denominator by cos theta, that means p cos theta by cos theta minus q sin theta by cos theta p cos theta by cos theta plus q sin theta by cos theta. Okay. Cancel this. So here P minus Q, sin by cos means tan theta by P plus Q tan theta. We know that the value of the tan theta is equal to P by Q. So we put the value P by Q. So P plus Q into P by Q. Cancel P minus P by P plus P. So it result be 0. Okay. Now I will place another example. X equal to 2 sin theta. X equal to 2 sin theta and y equal to 3 cos theta. Eliminate theta. We know that sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So here we see that sin theta equal to x by 2, cos theta will be y by 3, clear. So x square by 4 plus y square by 9, there is no theta. Now next day I will give some another example. Okay.
Thanks for watching. Leave a like and comment. Subscribe. And do share the video among your friends.